Just kind of resting in your mind. You put it down on paper, you create some sort of plan with it. It gives you something to follow. My glasses are working with me or against me right now. They're likely reflecting some of my filming light, but I'm in a get shit done mood, which means I'm in the right attire to get shit done. Hey guys, what's up? Coffee Talk. I today want to host just a little bit of your time to basically give you a pep talk that you can bookmark and come to anytime you need it, to watch or listen right before you need to do something that you have zero motivation, zero energy, zero inspiration to do. I was feeling this exact way the last few days, and I journaled each of those days, and I'm using my journal note sticker today of what I pep talked myself with to get myself going on the days where I just had zero energy. And then today, it was a follow-up day of wasn't as bad as the earlier ones, but still.
ぼけた人が間違えたのさ。
It's colder than it's ever been before. Those photographs that we used to try to place stand no more. How long should we try and make this light till we fall?
食べていいよ。熱くない。
Would you still take me?
すごい。
Give it all the
見てみて。お化け。お化け美味しい？
take me home.
うん。
Take me home. Take me
あ。あ、無理だ。美味しい。
home.